cutest boy ever. Down. Oh, what a good down. That was just the best down ever. Ooh, slimy dog lips. Hi, welcome to Fast Easy Vegan. I'm Jocelyn Graef. This is Bix the dog, the kitchen supervisor. And today we're gonna do a recipe called Spotted Ricky. It's dessert and it's fabulous. Okay, it's actually Spotted Dick. It's an English dessert and they actually call it Spotted Dick. Well, that doesn't work in this country, so it's Spotted Ricky here. Can you imagine asking the waiter if he has a spotted dick? It just wouldn't work. But this recipe is fabulous. You're gonna love it, and so simple. So we start off with 6 slices of raisin bread cubed. I threw in a handful of raisins just to make it raisinier. And then in 2 cups of milk, we're gonna put in 2 flax eggs. Now, a flax egg acts like a binder, and it has a lot of omegas, 6s and 3s in it. And when it's been sitting in water for a little bit, it gets really viscous and kind of gross, but it works for cooking. So your 2 flax eggs. A flax egg is 1 tablespoon of flax meal to 3 tablespoons of water. And then you let it sit for 10 or 15 minutes to thicken up like that before you mix it in with your recipe. So 2 cups of milk, plant milk obviously, 2 flax eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, let's put it all in there. And a 1/4 cup of, in this case, agave syrup. You want a wet, you want a liquid sweetener. So if you don't use agave for whatever reason, use maple syrup or use, you know, whatever it is that you generally use for a liquid sweetener. I'm mixing these all together in the liquid because it's the only thing that really makes sense. We want to get this nice and blended up. By the way, I have the stove on preheat, 350. So 350 oven. Pour all the liquidy stuff in there. You can practically hear that bread soaking up all that good juice and plant milk. So this is basically bread pudding. And we're going to put that in its dish now. It's a little nice little baking dish. Sort of sort it out there. And pop it in that 350 oven. And we're gonna let it cook now for about, 45 minutes. I had to just cheat and look at the recipe. So I'll see you in about 45 minutes. Hi, we're back. It's been 45 minutes. Let's check out our dessert. Here it comes, all bubbly out of the oven. Look at that. Hey.
That was easy.
Wasn't that good? Okay. It's all crispy on the top and smooshy and puddingy on the inside. And this will firm up as it cools a little bit. Look, it's still bubbling. Oh, it's so exciting. We're gonna have dessert tonight, you guys. Spotted Ricky. Enjoy it. See you next time. Bye.